Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. I hope you all had a productive week. In this video, I will be making inserts for boxes. I had been contemplating on whether I should make a video about inserts, but then I had a request from one of you, so thank you. The way I make them may be helpful to your small business, so I figured why not. I will illustrate 2 examples, but the possibilities are endless. So if you sell products that you want to remain stationary inside their boxes, watch this video. If you're ready, let's start. Open Design Space and start a new project. Before you start this project, make sure you measure the dimensions of your products. This will help ensure it fits securely inside the box. In this first example, I'm going to start with the square insert. Select a square. And we're going to make this size 3.875. by 5.625. Select another square. And make the size 5.625 by 3.875. Now select all, go to Align, and then Center. Now, next we need to weld the 2 shapes together to form one shape. This will be the basic shape for our insert. Select Weld, and then change the color of the shape to white. Now place the shape on the X and Y axis at 0. Select another square. And make the size 3.875. Now convert this square to a score. And place this scored square on the X and Y axis at 0.875. Now at this point, you can add your desired shape to cut out based on the measurements of your product. You can also add a heart, square, circle. It's your choice. I'm going to add a circle and I'm going to make it 1.5. I'm also going to select a rounded corner square. And I'm going to make it 1 by 2.5. I'm going to place the circle on the X at 1.33. And the Y at 2.348. I'm going to place the square on the X at 3.292 and the Y at 1.848. Now you can also add your own designs. You can use patterns here in Design Space. You can draw and write text and images using the pen or use your printer to print. But keep in mind the size restraints for printing in Design Space. I'm going to add text at the top and I'm going to use the pens to draw or write out this text. I'm using the Cricut Sans font, the style, writing, and the font size 16. I'm going to add space between the letters and I'm going to change the color. I'm going to place the text on the X at 1.746. And the Y at 1.277. The last step is to select all and then attach. From here, you would just hit Make It and then follow the prompts on the screen. Now I'm going to hide this for now by going over to the Layers panel and selecting the I next to Attach, and we'll get started on the next example. In the second example, I'm going to be making a rectangular shape insert with 3 round sections. I will be using the 4.5 by 1.5 inch slide out box created in one of my previous videos for this insert. I will link that video here if you want to make that box before crafting this insert. Select a square. And make the size 4.475 by 4.125. Select another square and make the size 7.225 by 1.375. Select all and then center. Now we need to weld to form one shape. So just select all and then select weld. And I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, now I need to add the score lines. I'm going to select a square. And I'm going to make the size 4.475 by 1.375. Now I'm going to convert this from a cut to a score. So I'm going up to Operation and select Score. Now I'm going to select all and then center. Now I'm going to add 3 circles to the center. Select a circle. And I'm going to make it 1 inch. I'm going to duplicate it 2 more times. And I'm going to place them on the middle of the square one by one. Now I'm going to align them. So I'm going to select all 3 only, go to Align, distribute vertically and horizontally, and then center vertically. And I'm just going to select Group, and then I'm going to select All, and then Center. Okay, and then while it's still selected, I'm going to select Attach to attach everything together. Now I'm going to unhide the insert that we made earlier. So I'm going over to the Layers panel, click on the eye with the line through it to unhide it. And like I said before, this insert will be for the slide out box, and that box is 4.5 by 1.5. And then this insert here on the right is a square insert, which will be for a 4 by 4 by 1 box. So what I'm going to do now is select Make It, and then I'll be back to show you how I place them inside the boxes. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed what I've shared, like, comment, and subscribe. Drop a comment if there's a topic you'd like to see. Remember, appreciate your progress, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.